Why does it matter what we eat? Why should we care about natural and organic food? These questions often loom in our minds, and the answer is surprisingly simple yet profound. They matter because our bodies and our minds are intrinsically connected, and what we consume directly impacts our mental well-being. Choosing natural and organic food isn't just about physical health. It's about mental health too. The foods we consume can become the building blocks of our brain cells, influencing how we feel, think, and interact with the world. Consider this. Certain natural foods are rich in antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress in our bodies. Oxidative stress has been linked to a variety of mental health disorders, including depression and anxiety. By choosing foods high in antioxidants, like berries, nuts, and dark leafy greens, we can support our body's ability to combat this harmful process. Organic foods, free from pesticides and chemicals, provide another layer of benefits for mental health. Studies have shown that exposure to pesticides can affect the nervous system, leading to a host of mental health problems, including memory loss, mood disorders, and cognitive decline. By choosing organic, we're not just making a choice for our physical health, but for our mental health as well. Moreover, natural and organic foods often contain higher levels of nutrients compared to their non-organic counterparts. For instance, organic milk has been found to contain more heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids than conventional milk. These omega-3s are essential for brain health, supporting cognitive function and mental well-being. But it's not just about what organic and natural foods have, it's also about what they lack. Many processed foods contain additives like artificial sweeteners, preservatives, and colorings that have been linked to a variety of mental health issues, including mood swings, anxiety, and even depression. By choosing natural and organic foods, we're choosing to nourish our bodies with wholesome, beneficial nutrients, rather than harmful additives. To conclude, the importance of natural and organic food extends far beyond physical health. These foods are packed with vital nutrients that support mental health, combating oxidative stress, promoting cognitive function, and reducing exposure to harmful chemicals. They lack the harmful additives found in many processed foods, which have been linked to a variety of mental health issues. In essence, by choosing to consume natural and organic food, we're making a powerful choice. A choice to support not just our physical health, but our mental health too. A choice to nourish our bodies and minds with the wholesome, beneficial nutrients they need to thrive. So as we move forward, let us strive to make mindful food choices that support our overall well-being. After all, we are what we eat. If this video was helpful to you in any way, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video from Healthy Living Boulevard.